Not a lengthy exchange, but again a similar outcome. Oh, hello. Back to plan A. Oh, stop it. It looked like the point was done. And yet there he was, full stretch with the backhand winner. This time he does wrap it up, but goodness me, took some doing. Oh, nice. One step ahead that time.
Got a little bit lucky there, Alcaraz.
Yeah, the reaction sharp enough. Back comes Alcaraz. Not the prettiest break of serve perhaps you'll ever see, but significant. And seals it in style. Perhaps not a five-star performance today from the top seed Carlos Alcaraz, but the defending champion stays on track in terms of getting his hands on the trophy for a second time. Had to work hard today against the seasoned campaigner Bautista Agut, but it is another straight sets win on the clay for Carlos. Moves into the quarterfinals for the second successive year. An hour and 52 today, 6-3, 7-5.